got to stop kung fu fighting in your sleep.
Oh, I think I was dancing.
That was like no dancing I've ever seen.
To the right, paddleboard right, paddleboard right.
Help! Oops, sorry.
This is where we become burning flames. Yes, Leo, you're a natural.
Yeah! Oh.
This is the big finale move. Remember what Mrs. Winterbottom said. Tell the story with your body. Great storytelling, Stella. Was it the story of the runaway train or Humpty Dumpty?
Never mind, Stella. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a disaster.
Boom cha cha, 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 boom cha cha.
You followed me? What do you think you're...
Wherever it is you're going, I'm coming with you.
Why?
'Cause wherever it is, it can't be more boring than that dinner.
Okay, on one condition. The crowner's gotta go.
Oh, with pleasure. It's always so itchy anyway.
You look kind of cool.
Yeah, like a real star. Besides, you haven't got time to change now.
Huh?
Hi, what's up?
Don't ask.
He's still there, still surrounded, but I'm sure he's looking for you. You'll never get close to him, especially now.
I guess his sister's before Mister's anyway.
What's going on? It's him.
Of course it's him. He's a superstar. And he'll never even look at me.
No, not that prince, the prince.
It's now or never. Bye. Gotta go. We've really gotta go, or we're in so much trouble.
But I'm afraid that border post has always been there. You know that.
Yes, I agree, but history is not always right, you know. It needs to be moved.
I very respectfully disagree. The post stays.
Well, no scrunchie in the world is worth missing dessert for, if you ask me. If you're looking for Stella and the Prince, then they're not here. They went to the dance. So, can I have their dessert too?
Oh, what has your daughter done? I knew we shouldn't have come.
Look at him. He looks different. I don't know how. I can't put my finger on it.
I know.
He looks happy.
Oops. Looks like we're busted.
I don't care. That was the best night of my life.
Oh no, she's going to move. I can't look.
Yay!
Ah, yes. Now there's a move Stella has perfected.
I give it 2 stars.